Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do this Mohawk braid. I'm going to start by parting the hair. So I'm just taking my comb and just parting off that top section in sort of like curve. So just take your time, try and make sure it's straight to about 3/4 of the way down. Same on the other side, try and make sure it is even. And then once you've done that, you're going to place that top section of hair out of the way. Now, you're going to come to the side bits, that's just a bit of powder to help with grip. You're going to break it in two and flip these two pieces. So the bottom one gets flipped above the top one. Then you're going to take a small section of hair, place it through the gap of those two original pieces. And again, you're going to flip it. So the bottom section goes above the top section that you've locked it in. And you're going to keep repeating that now. So you're going to take a small slice of hair, place it through the middle of those two sections, and then the bottom section gets flipped upwards. That's it, over the top section to lock that piece of hair into place. So you're just going to keep doing that technique. So section of hair through the middle, put it out your way, and then those two pieces get flipped. So bottom section gets twisted upwards, and then you've locked that section of hair in place. And you're going to keep doing that until you get sort of 3/4 of the way down. So exactly the same technique through the middle, twist it, there we go, lock it into place like that, keep this braid nice and tight, and then you're going to secure that with an elastic. Then you're going to do exactly the same on this side. There's some good camera angles here, I think you'll really see it better on this side. So little slice of hair goes through the middle, there we go, and then whoop, twist, there you go, another one. So little slice of hair through the middle like that, take it through the middle, and then you see the bottom section, you see my hands twist like that, and then twisting it round so it locks that piece of hair into place. So you'll do that exactly the same as on the other side, sort of 3/4 of the way down, and then you're just going to secure that with a little elastic, and then take out the top section. So you can do whatever you want with this top section. I decided to do a big pulled out Dutch braid. So I'm just taking the sections underneath the middle, underneath the middle, underneath the middle, and then I'm adding in hair. So that's all the hair, so those little sections that you pull through, everything. And then I'm just taking my time to just create some texture in this braid by teasing it out, pulling it out. Use some powder if you want to. I have got lots of Dutch braid tutorials. I will link that in for you. But I'm just going to be pulling this braid nice and big to sort of create that mohawk effect. But I just love these sort of side twists that have been added in. I think it adds just a bit more detail than just doing a regular Dutch braid. So I'm going to do that all the way to about 3/4 of the way down, pulling it nice and big as I go. And then once you've got to that end point there, you're going to tie it off with a hair tie, a bobble or elastic. And then just to add a little bit more, I decided I wanted to place a little ponytail cuff in. You don't have to do this bit, obviously. And then I just felt like the ponytail looked a bit like meh. So I've gone in with a bit more powder, using my comb to really back comb this ponytail. So back comb it all the way through, and then you'll use your comb just to smooth out that top edge. And then you're going to see the full effect now. Just those side details, which I absolutely love. Nice, big, chunky, pulled out braid going through the centre. Same on the other side. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.